Billions of dollars, thousands of engineers, and massive rockets tearing through the atmosphere. As humanity, why do we possess such a profound obsession with reaching the moon? Is it merely to find new resources or establish a colony on another planet? Or is there a deeper, unnamed projection of the soul behind this vertical ascent? Today, on the Anatomy of Self table, we are performing a dissection, not on a celestial body, but on the collective unconscious of humanity. Reaching the moon is a feat of engineering. The real courage, however, is descending into the craters of your own psyche. The mirror in the heavens, Jung and shadow projection. Carl Jung taught us a vital lesson. One does not become enlightened by imagining figures of light, but by making the darkness conscious. Throughout history, the moon has been the ultimate archetype of the unconscious. The famous dark side of the moon is nothing but a massive celestial mirror reflecting the shadow that each of us carries. Humanity goes to the moon because we have yet to manage our own internal desolation and silence. By trying to conquer the void up there, we are whispering a secret hope. If I can control the silence outside, perhaps I can master the Naughtness inside. But remember, when astronauts finally touched the lunar surface, the only thing they found was the echo of their own breath. It is the same naked reality you encounter in deep meditation or in the depths of a heavy depression. The modern world constantly forces us to look outward and upward, faster vehicles, more distant galaxies. But escaping gravity does not mean escaping your allostatic load. You can ride a rocket to the moon, but you will still carry your anxiety. The absolute silence of space is the ultimate test. When the external noise stops, the internal screams grow louder. A lunar landing is the furthest point where a human being can be left alone with themselves. This is where ancient wisdom and Sufism bridge the gap. Remember the words of Imam Ali, "You think you are a small body, yet the greatest universe is folded within you. Whatever is in the heavens outside is also in the skies of your soul." For the Sufi, the true moon landing is not reaching a physical orb. It is reaching the station of Fena, annihilation. The reflective quality of the moon is the purification of the heart. We are actually searching for our own light and darkness. Nietzsche's teaching of Amor Fati, love of fate, adds a radical dimension. Perhaps we want to flee from the dusty reality of Earth, but the real success is building that same silence within your own heart, amidst the noise of the world. Do not build a rocket to escape your pain. Transform your pain into fuel and give birth to your own star. In the end, the moon is not a destination, it is a reminder. It reminds us how small we are, yet how vast our consciousness must be. Mapping galaxies is a mere illusion if you haven't first mapped the craters of your own inner world. Ask yourself, do I truly want to go to the moon, or am I running away from meeting the undiscovered silence within me? Anatomy of Self, because you cannot manage what you do not understand. If you want to discover yourself, don't forget to subscribe.